Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Tally.so for beginners and how to create a simple form. First, go to their website and click on this create a form for free. Now wait for it to load up. Here, simply input the title of your form. For example, how to. Click on submit, button label, input a button label. I just put a random word. Submit. Now you can add another here. Short answer, long answer, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, and many other things. You can even add an image, video, audio, and other things. Let's input a short answer. Type of question. Here you can add your question. What is your name? Lawrence. You can add here another multiple choice if you want. This is an example. Choose your t-shirt size. Let's just put that. Choose your t-shirt size. Add an option. Small, medium, medium, and large. You can add another, like a link, like this one, Tally. There you go. Now simply click on preview if you want to preview it. There you go. Back to editor. Simply publish it if you're done. If you publish it, you need to sign into your Tally account. Simply sign into your Tally account and that's basically it.